To change the time, move it from run to time set. Then go and hit hour. Right now it shows 4:30 and it shows that the lights are off 4:30. So in the fall, you go backwards, but you want to change it just hour. Notice, switch it until you need it to get to the time you need it to be. This is just time set. If you don't remember what you're doing, look right here, time set. What time is it right now? 4:30? Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. That's the run. To change the actual time that you want the events to happen, move up to program. Event number 1, turn the lights on at 7 p.m. Every turn on or turn off is called an event right here. So you can change that time to turn on at, in the winter time, at 4. 2, 3, 4. Change the, whatever, Dad. To change it to event number 2 where the lights turn off, so let's just leave it for summer on at 6, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So that's, notice the number 1 event. Look at on 6 p.m. We're programming. Notice how it's up here in program. So the next event is turning the lights off. So hit event. Notice how it went to 2. Off at 6 a.m. There are 8 events. You only need to use 2. Number 1 and number 2. If you add in any other events in other numbers in that lower right hand corner, the lights will just be turning on and off all the time. So you only need to program 2. So if you watch what happens, you go event, you hit it again, number 3. There's no time because you didn't set one. Good, that's what you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nada. You only need number 1 and number 2. Notice it'll tell you what it is. Event number 1 is turn the lights on at 6 p.m. Event number 2, turn the lights off at 6 a.m. Changing the time for those events, hour or minutes. Once you're finished, move this to run and you're all set. So right now it's showing that it's 4:34 p.m. and the lights are off. We're in auto mode, not manual. If the on and off is not for setting the program events, that's for when you're running in manual mode. But in an apartment building where you're not living, you're not doing it, leave it on auto, and all you're going to control is events and hour. Let's see what happens if we hit this. Nothing. All right. So you're set to run, you're set on auto, and that's it.